Have you ever wondered just how small the Earth really is? Could it be that our entire planet is nothing more than a single cell in the vast body of the universe? Within our solar system, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Its equator stretches over 40,075 kilometers. It takes a jet plane around 44 hours to fly once around the globe. To us, that sounds enormous. But compare it to Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. Jupiter is so massive it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside. Flying once around Jupiter would take that same plane nearly 20 days. Now, imagine something even bigger. The Sun is about 1,000 times larger than Jupiter, and more than 1.3 million times the volume of Earth. Flying around the Sun? That would take over 200 days. The Sun is a blazing sphere of fire, surrounded by 8 planets, forming what we know as our solar system. On Valentine's Day in 1990, as Voyager 1 approached the edge of the solar system, NASA sent it a command to turn around and take a final picture of Earth from 6.4 billion kilometers away. That image became iconic. Just a tiny speck of light, taking up only 0.12 pixels of the entire photo. That speck was Earth. Astronomer Carl Sagan named it the pale blue dot, suspended in a sunbeam, floating in a sea of darkness. Can you remember what you were doing back then? Because Earth, everything you know, everything you love, was right there in that tiny dot. But even our solar system is just a tiny piece of the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy filled with 100 to 400 billion stars. And our Sun is just one small spark among them. If the Milky Way were a giant city, our solar system would be just a house on the edge of town, and Earth, a dust mote inside that house. From 2003 to 2004, the Hubble Space Telescope focused for over 1 million seconds on a tiny patch of sky in the constellation Draco. The result? An image known as the Hubble Ultra Deep Field, one of the farthest visible photos of the universe ever taken. Each glowing dot in that image isn't a star. It's an entire galaxy, each one as vast as the Milky Way. Over 10,000 galaxies appear in that one frame alone, and it covers an area only about 1/10 the size of the full moon. Scientists now estimate that there are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each galaxy with billions of stars, each star possibly with its own system of planets. Among them, countless worlds that may resemble Earth. In this unimaginable vastness, our planet is no more than a speck of dust, and all of human history, all our wars, loves, dreams, and struggles are contained in that speck. So the fame, wealth, and status we chase so fiercely, peace, what do they really mean when measured against the scale of the cosmos? In the end, what do we truly take with us?